The realistic way create reflection shadow in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and open the image. Then click on the layer panel and layer copy. Also drag the layer. Press Ctrl T. Right click. Click on the flip vertical and adjust the bottle. Click on the mask icon. Select Gradient tool. And click on the gradient of the top. Also click on the basic and select black and white. Follow the process. I do this. Then create new layer. Then select brush tool. And make sure opacity and flow 100. And apply this. Press Ctrl T. And adjust the shadow. Then select Erase tool and remove extra shadow. Now, we create a reflection shadow in Photoshop. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.